Want to make an epic visual presentation report to impress your client? Or do you own a YouTube channel or a small business and want to know how your stats are doing? Looker Studio, formerly Google Data Studio, is the ideal platform for producing visual charts and graphs. It also helps in presenting numerical information graphically with interactive dashboards and beautiful reports that inspire more intelligent business decisions. So let's learn how to use Looker Studio by following simple steps. Step 1. Logging in. You can open Looker Studio by simply googling the words or by clicking on this link datastudio.google.com and logging into the Looker Studio with your Google account. Step 2 is choosing the template. On the home page, you will see a short introduction, a list of ready-made templates for your requirements, or a blank template that you can customize on your own accordingly. Step 3 is connecting the data. After selecting the template or choosing the blank template, you need to connect your data from different sources like MS Excel, Google Analytics, Google Ads, Facebook Ads, or any other third-party sources. Step 4 is insertion of graphs. After connecting your data to Looker Studio, you can represent it in various ways like pie charts, bar charts, time series graphs, tables, or scorecards. You can select any of them by clicking on Add a Chart from the toolbar. Click the type of chart you want and adjust its size and position on the screen. Step 5 is customization. You can change the theme using the theme and layout option to further modify and elevate the presentation's air of professionalism. Pick a background color that complements your brand's logo. You can distinguish data with different color patterns and fonts with the option on the right side of the screen once you insert your chart. Using the filter option, you can also narrow your data to a specific statistic or date. Finally, step 6 is sharing the document. If satisfied with the report, click download to save your work and send it through email to your client. You can also use the share button in your browser's upper right hand corner to grant access to the file. You can also choose the option can edit or can view for a specific person or a link. And that's it. Now you know how to use Looker Studio in a few easy steps.